Join me on a trip to North San Diego, Carlsbad area to visit the Park Hyatt Aviara Resort. This resort is known for their award-winning golf course, their top-rated spa, recreation, and relaxation areas. On this trip, we'll be experiencing all of those elements and sharing more details on the Park Hyatt Aviara Resort. When pulling up to the resort, you immediately notice the beautiful Californian weather and the luxuriousness of this 5-star resort. Walking into the lobby just amplifies that feeling with the modern design and art they have on display. Live music was even playing in the lobby when I arrived, and that was a really nice surprise. The Topgolf Swing Suite also caught my eye, and I knew I had to go back to try it out later. But I was really excited to check out the room first. Stayed in the King Coastal View room, which overlooked Aviara Golf Course and the beautiful Southern California coastline. This view was literally breathtaking. After checking out the room, I headed downstairs to get some brunch. Walking around downstairs, I enjoyed more of the art and the design, especially in the bar area. There are several different options for food at this resort. There's the Ponto Lago restaurant, the Ember and Rye restaurant, which I will enjoy dinner at later, the Pacific Point restaurant. There's also Water's Edge, which is a bar and grill by the pool. Then the Aviara Market and the Topgolf Swing Suite has food as well. After brunch, we head outside to explore more of the recreational areas with the tennis and pickleball courts. Park Hyatt Aviara offers 5 state-of-the-art tennis courts and 4 pickleball courts with stadium seating for events and tournaments. It's so nice that it's been ranked amongst the top 25 tennis courts in the world by Tennis Resorts Online. Court reservations are available on an hourly basis, so if you're staying here, you can enjoy tennis, pickleball, sand volleyball, badminton, and even more lawn games. For now, we're taking the shuttle over to Aviara Golf Club. The Bro Shop is located directly under the Ember and Rye Steakhouse. This golf course is the only course designed by Arnold Palmer in San Diego. In a different video, I play the front 9 with you so you can see more of the course. There are hills and undulation throughout the entire course, which can make your game difficult, but the view's stunning. The hospitality doesn't stop at the hotel. The golf course staff were extremely helpful and friendly. Cookies were even offered at the backdrop area. And of course, Aviara has to carry Arnold Palmer's. Aviara Golf Club also recently completed a regrassing of all 18 holes with Tiff Tuff, which is a warm season Bermuda grass that does not require overseeding and therefore lessens the chemical input on the ground and is more sustainable. This was a perfect time for me to visit because most of the courses back home in Arizona were being overseeded. There is also a large golf academy where lessons are held, and junior and adult clinics are offered for guests staying at the Park Hyatt Aviara Resort. When playing here, you'll experience native flowers, tropical landscaping, and beautiful water features, as well as strategic bunkers and extra large greens. Here's a closer look at hole 3, which is one of the signature holes on this course. It's also one of the top-rated courses in Southern California. As we continue the round, there is no lack for beautiful views and great landscaping. After the golf round, I unwound at the spa. This layout, design, and ambiance was so relaxing. They truly thought of everything from snacks to tea and all the little details in between to make the experience that much more special. I enjoyed a massage, and after the massage, I felt like I was in a completely different world. The spa was complete with a jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and many areas to relax and unwind. A little bit of time in the jacuzzi would help bring me back to reality and get me ready for an evening exploring more of this resort. After the spa, I headed out to the pool to enjoy the sunset. There are 2 large pool areas. One is family friendly, equipped with 2 water slides, and the other is adult only, located next to the bar and overlooking the lagoon and coastline. After watching the sunset with a beautiful view by the pool, it was time to move our view to the 18th green for dinner at the Ember and Rye Steakhouse. The well-known Richard Blaze is the head chef at Ember and Rye, and he has put together an excellent menu that is both creative and very delicious. The menu is known for vintage steaks and fresh seafood. There are modern takes on classic dishes and drinks. This signature cocktail, called the Smoking Ember, was very fun to experience and also delicious. A cute fact is that the steakhouse is actually named after Richard Blaze's daughters, Embry and Riley. He is also a golfer, and some of the menu items reflect that. Specifically, the King and Rye cocktail pays homage to the golf legend of Arnold Palmer, the King himself. Some of the most notable dishes are a Scotch egg made with deep-fried soft-boiled egg, chicken sausage, and homemade hot sauce. Ember and Rye was recognized with the 2024 Dinner's Choice Awards by Open Table and the 2024 Wine Spectacular Award. The restaurant and the resort as a whole has an amazing atmosphere. Whether it's walking around the restaurant and the resort or outside taking in the beautiful weather and coastal air, I highly recommend checking out the Park Hyatt Aviara Resort in Carlsbad, California if you get a chance. Let me know what you enjoyed most about this golf course and resort and where you would like to see next.